Do you ever wake up exhausted, haunted by the feeling that your body didn't truly rest, with a silent worry about your health lingering in the back of your mind? What if the answer to deeper sleep and stronger kidneys wasn't another supplement, but something already on your plate? The truth is, your evening meal could be the very thing sabotaging your recovery. Tonight, I'll show you how to choose proteins that work as sleep aids and kidney guardians. We're diving into 5 powerful proteins. This is not about a dramatic overhaul, but strategic swaps that align with your body's natural rhythm. Imagine waking up actually refreshed. 1. Egg whites. Let us begin with a protein so perfect for nighttime. It is often misunderstood. Egg whites. Most people see egg whites as just diet food, but for sleep and kidney health, they're a secret weapon. Think of them as a clean fuel source. They provide the highest quality protein with almost none of the minerals like phosphorus and potassium that force strained kidneys into overtime, especially at night. This means your body can focus on repair, not filtration. But the sleep benefit is what truly surprises people. Protein before bed steadies your blood sugar. Egg whites digest slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids that help maintain calm throughout the night. Unlike heavy, fatty foods, they won't cause reflux or discomfort that keeps you tossing and turning. Your body can finally slip into the deep restorative phases of sleep it craves. Keep preparation simple: steamed, scrambled, or in an omelet with gentle veggies like zucchini. Pair them with a small serving of white rice or oatmeal. This combination supports your body's natural production of sleep hormones like melatonin. It's a gentle, powerful choice that tells your body it's safe to rest. 2. Salmon. Now, let's upgrade to a protein that doesn't just feed you, it heals you. Salmon. This is where nutrition becomes multi-dimensional. The magic isn't just in the protein. It's in the abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are famous for cooling inflammation, which is a primary source of stress for both your heart and your kidneys. When inflammation is high, your entire system, including your nervous system, stays on alert. That is not a state conducive to sleep. Omega-3 salts help calm that internal fire. They improve blood flow and support the health of your blood vessels, directly easing the workload on your kidneys. For sleep, this translates to a body that can genuinely switch off. Furthermore, salmon is rich in vitamin D and B vitamins, crucial players in regulating mood and sleep cycles. Grill or bake it simply and enjoy it with asparagus or green beans a few hours before bed. You're not just eating dinner. You're taking a powerful supplement for systemic calm. 3. Cod. Next, we have the unsung hero of the sea, cod. If you want a protein that feels like a comfort for your insides, this is it. Cod is a lean white fish that is exceptionally kind to your digestive system. Heavy meals can sit in your gut for hours, creating bloating and unrest. Cod is effortlessly digestible, allowing your body to focus on restoration, not digestion. For your kidneys, cod is a light load. It's naturally lower in concerning minerals, meaning less waste for your kidneys to process overnight. This directly translates to a more peaceful system and a more restful you. Its mild flavor is a blank canvas. Bake or poach it with herbs, and pair it with easy sides like carrots or green beans. It's the perfect dinner when you want to feel nourished but light, setting the perfect stage for sleep. 4. Lean turkey. Our 4th protein might make you think of holidays, but it's a year-round sleep ally. Lean turkey. The reason is tryptophan. This amino acid is a building block for serotonin and melatonin, your body's essential sleep chemicals. Including turkey in your evening meal provides the raw materials your brain needs to wind down naturally. Turkey breast is a clean source of protein that won't burden your kidneys with unhealthy fats or additives found in processed deli meats. It's also a source of B vitamins, which help regulate your energy systems so you can power down effectively at night. Roast it, slice it, and have it with a small serving of mashed potato or pasta. It's a satisfying choice that actively guides your nervous system toward rest. 5. Skinless chicken. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate reliable staple, skinless chicken. Its power is in its simplicity and versatility. By removing the skin, you remove the saturated fat, leaving pure, high-quality protein that your body can use efficiently for overnight repair, muscle, tissue, immune function without a heavy digestive burden. For kidney health, this lean profile minimizes inflammation and waste. It's the consistent, safe choice that never overwhelms your system. Whether baked, grilled, or simmered in a light broth-based soup, it's incredibly easy to prepare. Pair it with rice and gentle vegetables. For a complete meal that promotes stable blood sugar and nervous system calm throughout the night. Consistency here builds the foundation for long-term wellness. Conclusion. So let's connect the dots. Each of these 5 egg whites, salmon, cod, turkey, and skinless chicken offers a unique blend of clean fuel, easy digestion, and nutrients that directly support relaxation and organ health. They work by reducing the internal noise, the inflammation, the mineral overload, the blood sugar spikes, and the digestive chaos that keep you awake. When you remove these obstacles, your body can finally do what it's designed to do at night. Restore, repair, and recharge. Start tonight. Don't try to change everything. Choose one protein from this list, prepare it simply. Pay close attention to how you feel in the morning. That tangible feeling of improved rest is your body's way of saying thank you. It's the proof that small, strategic choices create profound changes. Your journey to deeper sleep and stronger health begins with a single, smart choice on your dinner plate. If this resonated with you, support our channel by liking this video and subscribing to Healthy Lifestyle for more science-backed guides to living well.